The following story is fictional. Its intent is to portray a future wildland firefighting system that uses AI trained in wildland firefighting and fast response drones to augment the skills of humans and the equipment and tactics currently in use. Please send your comments to david.fuller@nasa.gov. A July morning in Colorado's White River National Forest dawns hot and dry. At 0847 Mountain, a GOES satellite detects a heat signature in the area. Within seconds, the data reaches the U.S. Forest Service's Regional Operations Center, where the fire responder AI system flags it as a wildland fire ignition. The nearest quick response drone is at Eagle County Regional Airport's Fire Operations Hangar. The system dispatches a drone, equipped with its own AI, specifically trained to perform the initial drone circles overhead, maintaining the network for the emerging response. At 0945, the first engines and crews arrive, their mobile devices automatically joining the network. Each device displays the COP, fire locations, spread prediction, escape routes, and safety zones. The ATGS arrives on scene and begins orbiting the fire. Their workstation automatically joins the network and exchanges information with the incident commander and ground teams. On the ATGS workstation is a list of incoming assets, their status, and ETA. The ATGS begins coordinating with the ground teams. The ground crew chiefs use their handheld tablets to mark where drops are needed, share this information with the ATGS over the network, and confirm by voice. The ATGS assigns targets to the air tankers via the network. Flight paths to targets, drop points, and locations of nearby ground teams are then sent to the air tankers, where the pilots can see the information in their head-up display. Drones and AI technology trained in wildland firefighting can monitor many data streams and flag increasing risk indicators. These decision support tools can help wildland firefighters make safe, effective decisions quickly. Drones and AI, utilizing a local tactical network, can share this information to the entire response team, building and maintaining the common operating picture in real time. As aerial and ground assets enter the area, they automatically join the network. Their ID, position, intent, capabilities, and resources are integrated into the COP and made available to all responders. The ATGS, coordinating with the IC and ground teams, can designate drop points, which are shared in the COP. The air tanker pilots see approach routes and drop points in their HUD. This future concept of operations can become reality with NASA's Advanced Capabilities for Emergency Response Operations project, ACERO.